Central Park Reservoir.
The water system.
Pumping goo everywhere.
Adding more and more people to the hive mind.
If all those symbiotes get out of Manhattan...
Goodbye, Earth. Hello, Planet Goo. The meteorite is the source of all the power, right? Creating goo, creating symbiotes. But it was useless until Harry repaired it.
Yeah.
And that particle accelerator's what damaged it in the first place. Cut off a piece at low power.
Right, so what if we crank the power up? Like way past 11?
Might destroy it.
And free everyone connected to the hive mind.
Theoretically.
But that reservoir's gotta be mobbed with symbiotes. And you know Harry's not gonna let that rock out of his sight.
Unless he sees something he wants more. Me. Just, for illustrative purposes. Harry's still Harry. He thinks he's healing the world. But the dream isn't complete without...
His best friend beside him.
I can lead Harry away from the meteorite.
And I can handle all the symbiotes.
While I grab the space rock. For illustrative purposes.
All right, fire up the accelerator. No more hive mind. World saved. We all get churros?
Theoretically.
Pete, what Connor said about Harry being too far gone. If you can't save him, are you
It won't
ready?
come to that. You two will be able to destroy the rock in time. Let's heal the world.
For real this time. So the meteorite is somewhere in that thing?
So are Harry and his friends.
Here. Figured you could use a sonic touch.
They're just standing there. What are they waiting for?
Look, I can't thank you both enough. For everything.
Come on, bro. We're the Spider team.
Don't anyone forget it.
Hey, buddy! You gonna sit in there and play with your pet rock all night? It's you and me, Harry. Like we always wanted.
Our gift will finally be yours.
Here's the thing, though. You're gonna have to catch me first. MJ, now!
You wanted a story, Watson. What was that? A dead end? No. There has to be a way in. fires. I hope they made it out. What the hell? I'm coming! Just hang on! Oscorp. I guess they left more than just flares behind. Not good, not good. I'm not leaving without that rock. The meteorite. Gotta get down there. Oh no, very bad. Looks like the meteorite's connected to the rest of the hive. Just a normal rock. That can also end the world. They're gonna be all over me. Time to go. Oh, crap. The meteorite. It feels alive. Gotta get out of here. Oh, crap. The meteorite. It feels alive. Gotta get out of here. If I get this rock back, it's game over. Please let this lead somewhere good. The sky. Almost out of this hellhole. Looks like my exit's just past that chopper. You gotta be kidding me. Hey, I think that hurt it. That symbiote's big, but I'm fast. Let's get the hell out of here. Time to go, Miles!
You ready?
Pretty sure your +1 isn't invited to our high school reunion, Harry! Harry!
This is where we became best friends.
Yeah, it is.
And now it's where we become brothers. Join us.
Please, remember everything we've been through! Did you forget about Flash kicking our asses for 4 years? But we had each other! Gotta stay off the ground! Came over every single day after school! Even slept over after your mom got sick!
I didn't feel like that.
When you lost her, that day on the football field, I was there! Always have been!
Until we got sick again.
giving me a choice! Whoa, symbiote's dropping in. Stay calm. Take him out one at a time. Free Harry with more anti-venom. Down.
We know what's best for you, for everyone. We gave you everything you ever wanted, and you threw us away.
I should have been better! I'm so sorry!
Then you replaced us with Miles. We poisoned you against us even more.
No! He saved me! Just like I'll save you!
We've never been good enough for you, or Dad.
It's messing with your head, Harry! You're my best friend!
Then why don't you trust us?
I trust you, Harry! Not that thing you're wearing!
We are not a
Or these guys? Not working! This anti-venom's gonna sting Harry! Brute force isn't working! Gotta be a better way! Gotta get in close!
It'll be over soon.
Doesn't matter what you do to me. I'm never gonna heal the world with you. Not like this.
The meteorite. You took it from us.
I think the goo aliens are mad we took their stuff.
Yeah, well, they started it. Let's get this to the accelerator!
MJ, you hearing that? okay, right?
Let's just get him out of here. Go, Miles, I've got him. Go!
When the hell did he get wings? You're not getting this rock, man!
Our future doesn't belong to you!
Trust me! Don't want your future! I made a promise, Harry, that I'd fight for you!
You don't care about us! You don't know us!
I know you talked to your mom, just like I talked to my dad. Remember? What's she saying right now?
We are so close!
I'm not gonna let Pete down, Harry.
He'll understand. This is his dream, too.
Sorry, Harry. Heard enough about this nightmare. I'm waking you up. I'll do whatever it takes to get you away from that thing. Blue stuff to slow him down.
Get out of our way, Miles! Peter doesn't need you anymore. He has us now.
You're not doing this for Pete. You're doing this for yourself.
You're holding Pete. You took him away from us!
Took him away. What the hell are you talking about?
In the forest, we remember what you did.
Harry! Man, that's the symbiote talking, not you!
You were jealous. That's why you pushed us apart.
Maybe I was, but Pete wasn't Pete!
You think you're better than us, don't you?
This ain't about who's better! I just prefer you without the psycho-alien on! Need to hit him with more blue sparks. Doesn't matter if you like me or not. I'm here for you. You can't see it now, but we're not so different, man. I clipped his wings.
Pete, better off out of our way.
You're not doing this for Pete. You're doing this for yourself.
You're holding Pete back. You took him away from us.
Took him away? What the hell are you talking about?
In the forest, we remember what you did.
Harry! Man, that's the symbiote talking, not you!
You're jealous. That's why you pushed us apart.
Maybe I was, but Pete wasn't Pete! Thought I clipped his wings!
You think you're better than us, don't you?
This ain't about who's better! I just prefer...
We gave you our chance.
Harry! Pete?
done. Either way, Pete.
No. We still have time.
No, we don't. It'll kill them. And then it'll kill you. Let's heal the world, Pete. Together.
We're in business!
Now, Pete!
MJ!
I love you. You did it!
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Give me some room. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I gotta try.
Thank you. Gotta get to the hospital.
pulse is weak. We gotta move.
What have you done? What have you done to him?
I'm sorry.
I'm coming with you, wait!
There are traces of brain activity, but his chances of coming back are very slim.
Just keep him alive. Why? Get the G serum ready. ASAP.
For the last few years, tragedy has tried to tear the city apart. But we somehow kept going. We battled sickness, evil, cataclysm. We are tired, anxious, stressed, numb. But we have never lost hope. The city needs to heal. We're all ready to return to normal, but what is normal? What if it no longer exists? Over the last half hour, I've talked about how these events have changed me. But what about you? In this ongoing series, I will be talking with people throughout the city, exploring our new behaviors, new routines, new thoughts and feelings. I hope you'll join me on this journey. This has been Mary Jane Watson, and you're listening to The New Normal. Episode 1, done.
Nice.
Ooh, are these good to go?
In a minute, I want to show you something first.
Okay.
It has molasses in it.
Yum, I'll take those.
Thanks again for the donation, Peter.
Pete. Have you talked to Miles about...
Not yet.
You ready?
Miles, I've been meaning to talk to you about something. I mean, I have been talking to you all the time. It's great to talk. So many good talks. I just haven't been talking to you about what I should have been talking to you about.
Pete,
Wait, let me start again.
I got this. All of it. Go be Peter Parker for a while.
Are you sure? It's a big city.
I can handle it. As long as I can still call you for advice.
You don't need it.
Maybe not now, but there'll come a time.
I'm here for you, always.
Big bro. See you.
What do you want?
The Spider-Men. You know who they are, don't you?
Why?
They ruined my son.
Good. We all have to experience loss. Even you, Norman.
What are you writing?
The final chapter.
Haley, hi. I hope you're hungry. Food's almost ready. Why don't you go show her your essay? He worked so hard on it.
Some guy in Harlem. Probably seen him volunteering in the city, helping out his city council mom, and trying to live up to his hero dad. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi. Miles, Haley, this is Albert.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Oh, and this is my daughter, Cindy.
What's up, New York? Looks like Howard could use some help. A request from Howard? I wonder where his birds flew off to this time.